For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Hozo Neo Sander. And this is just the basic. This is not the premium combo. I'll be doing a video on that one as well. This is just a basic unboxing. I wanted to show you what you get if you got the basic version. So let's dig right in and get into it, as I like to say. So let's unbox this. And very high quality stuff from Hozo. I've purchased another item from them, and you will not be disappointed. High quality merchandise, high packing quality, everything top notch. Okay, so we get an instruction manual, quick start guide, pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. Okay, and then we get 8 different tips, and they're just different shaped. And here's Otto, my Maine Coon cat buddy, and let's see if he suggests this is good. And yeah, he almost bit me, so he approves. So let's take this out, and these are our 8. Well, first we have our different sand grits, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 200 to 1500, and then there's the different styled tips that they have. And with this you just get 1 of each. And again, I'm going to be doing a video. I'll put the link in here on the combo, so you'll see what you get with this, just the basic one, and then the combo. A very generous amount of sandpaper. Very impressive here. I'm impressed how much they give you. So different grits, 8 different grits, 8 different grits and 8 different styles of ends. So put them on each one. And again, I'm going to do the video. I'll show you sanding with it and all that. So for now, this is just an unboxing of the basic kit. So here is the actual hand unit. It's pretty small. It's impressively small. So let's open this up. And yeah, those scars are from my cat, by the way, so yeah, don't pay attention to those. So here's our end. You put the ends in, twist them, very simple. You have a amount of vibration, and then you have the power and a USB-C end. So you can control the vibration from low to high, the power setting, I guess you could call it. And then let's unbox this other one. And I believe this is the up cord, USB-C to C. And they include the cord. And that's it. Very high quality stuff from Hozo. I only expect the best from them. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.